Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make custom resolution laptop. First, we will use the integrated utility of the screen, in this case, NVIDIA. On screen, click on Change Resolution. You will see all the compatible resolutions. You will click on Customize. There, click on the button, Create Custom Resolution. In this window, enter the screen mode you are going to create, and you can see how all the values are adjusted based on your choice. From timing, you can select the appropriate method so that your screen is in real time. Finally, you can click on Test so you can see how your resolution will look and save it if necessary. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.